ये बच्चों के लिए बहस नहीं थी।
It was not a discussion for kids. It was not a discussion for kids.
मैंने जो पैसा कमाया इसका ज्यादातर हिस्सा मादी चीजों पर खर्च हुआ।
Most of the money I earned was spent on materialistic things. Most of the money I earned was spent on materialistic things.
बादशाह अपनी ताकत वापस हासिल करने के लिए लड़ा।
The king fought to attain his power back. The king fought to attain his power back.
मेरी पीठ पीछे कही गई बात पर मैंने नाराजगी का इजहार किया।
I took offense at what was said at my back. I took offense at what was said at my back.
आप अपनी बेइज्जती के साथ एक लाइन क्रॉस कर रहे हैं।
You are crossing a line with your disrespect. You are crossing a line with your disrespect.
कंबल ने सर्दी के खिलाफ सुकून फराहम किया।
The blanket provided comfort against the cold. The blanket provided comfort against the cold.
दो दिन में अहम फैसला होना था।
A crucial decision had to be made in 2 days. A crucial decision had to be made in 2 days.
नजर आने से बचने के लिए वो ज्यादातर रास्ते से दूर रहता था।
He mostly kept out of the way to avoid being noticed. He mostly kept out of the way to avoid being noticed.
ये खानदान के लिए एक बड़ा मौका है।
This is a big opportunity for the family. This is a big opportunity for the family.
सफाई करते वक्त आपने कुछ जगहें छोड़ दी।
You missed a few spots when cleaning. You missed a few spots when cleaning.
सेमिनार में बहुत कम तलबा ने शिरकत की।
Few of the students showed up for the seminar. Few of the students showed up for the seminar.
जब मुलाजमत से तारुफ हुआ तो मैं कदरे खौफज़दा था।
I was a bit apprehensive when introduced to the job. I was a bit apprehensive when introduced to the job.
आपको प्रोजेक्ट की हिदायत पर अमल करना होगा।
You have to follow the project guidelines. You have to follow the project guidelines.
इसने अपनी परेशानियों को एक तरफ धकेलकर अपने खाने पर तवज्जो दी।
He pushed aside his worries to concentrate on his food. He pushed aside his worries to concentrate on his food.
पूरे कमरे में खामोशी छा गई।
The whole room fell into silence. The whole room fell into silence.
मैंने खाने से भरा हुआ चम्मच बच्चे की तरफ बढ़ाया।
I held out the spoon filled with food to the baby. I held out the spoon filled with food to the baby.
वो सदमे से चौंका।
He was startled out of the trance. He was startled out of the trance.
वो इसके गाने की आवाज पर तड़प उठे।
They cringed at the sound of her singing. They cringed at the sound of her singing.
मैं उनको साबित करूंगा कि मैं कौन हूँ।
I will prove to them just who I am. I will prove to them just who I am.
आखिरकार उसने हार मान ली और आराम किया।
He finally backed down and relaxed. He finally backed down and relaxed.
वो पार्टी के लिए रवाना हो गए उससे पहले कि वो कपड़े बदल सकी।
They left for the party before she could get changed. They left for the party before she could get changed.
इसे आते ही खामोशी का सामना करना पड़ा।
She was met with silence when she arrived. She was met with silence when she arrived.
ड्राइंग मुकम्मल तौर पर फट चुकी थी।
The drawing had been torn off completely. The drawing had been torn off completely.
इसने जल्दी से एक छोटा सा बहाना बनाया।
He hurriedly pulled up a short excuse. He hurriedly pulled up a short excuse.
मैंने सूरत-ए-हाल की बेयकीनी को महसूस किया।
I felt the uncertainty of the situation. I felt the uncertainty of the situation.
उनके सामने खतरा मंडरा रहा था।
Danger loomede before them. Danger loomede before them.
वो थक हार कर घर पहुंची।
She got home winded and tired. She got home winded and tired.
वो बोलने पर मजबूर लग रहा था।
He sounded forced to speak. He sounded forced to speak.
वो तकरीर के लिए पीछे हट गए।
They retreated to the back for the speech. They retreated to the back for the speech.
घर वालों ने मामूल के मुताबिक बात की।
The family conversed as normal. The family conversed as normal.
इसके आगे दौड़ने सबसे बड़ी रुकावट है।
Ahead of him lay the biggest obstacle in the race. Ahead of him lay the biggest obstacle in the race.
इसने इस तरफ देखा जहां उनमें से अक्सर खड़े थे।
She looked over at where most of them stood. She looked over at where most of them stood.
मैंने केले का छिलका बस से बाहर फेंक दिया।
I threw the banana peel out of the bus. I threw the banana peel out of the bus.
प्लेट को बाहर फेंकने से ये बेहतर नहीं होगा।
Throwing out the plate would not make it better. Throwing out the plate would not make it better.
इसे ढूंढना बंद करो।
Stop looking around for her. Stop looking around for her.
वो इसे देखकर चौंक कर खड़ी हो गई।
She stood shocked upon seeing him. She stood shocked upon seeing him.
जिन लोगों को उसकी जरूरत है उनकी मदद करना ठीक है।
It is okay to lend a hand to people who need it. It is okay to lend a hand to people who need it.
वो मुंह बंद करके गा सकती थी।
She could sing with her mouth closed. She could sing with her mouth closed.
गार्ड्स ने इन्हें रास्ते से हटा दिया।
The guards pushed them out of the way. The guards pushed them out of the way.
वो दरिंदे से आहिस्ता आहिस्ता पीछे हट गए।
They backed away slowly from the beast. They backed away slowly from the beast.
जब वो स्टेज पर आया तो उनके मद्दाह चीखे और उछल पड़े।
His fans jumped and screamed when he stepped onto the stage. His fans jumped and screamed when he stepped onto the stage.
स्पोर्ट्स कार तेज रफ्तारी से उड़ी.
The sports car took off at a fast speed. The sports car took off at a fast speed.
मैंने उसकी हैरत पर बहुत तेजी से रद्द-अमल जाहिर किया.
I reacted too fast to her surprise. I reacted too fast to her surprise.
वो इन्हें महफूज देखकर बहुत मुतमईन नजर आ रहा था.
He looked so relieved to see them safe. He looked so relieved to see them safe.
मुझे कहा गया कि अकाउंट इस्तेमाल करने से पहले इसकी तस्दीक कर लें.
I was told to verify the account before using it. I was told to verify the account before using it.
इस तरफ से देखने वाले लोग तशद्दुद पर हैरान रह गए.
People watching from the side were shocked at the violence. People watching from the side were shocked at the violence.
इसका बच्चा छोटी उम्र से ही सदमे का शिकार था.
Her kid suffered from trauma from a young age. Her kid suffered from trauma from a young age.
इसने इसके बालों से एक पता हटा दिया.
He removed a leaf from her hair. He removed a leaf from her hair.
आपको सच्चाई का इतिराफ करना होगा.
You have to confess the truth. You have to confess the truth.
ग्रुप ने उसे हाथ हिलाया.
The group waved her over. The group waved her over.
मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप इस नए महीने को संभाल लेंगे.
I hope you can handle this new month. I hope you can handle this new month.
वो दोपहर तक जागता रहा.
He stayed awake till noon. He stayed awake till noon.
वो सिर्फ जीन्स में मलबूस था.
He was clad only in jeans. He was clad only in jeans.
बच्चों ने आपस में एक नजर का तबादला किया.
The kids exchanged a look between them. The kids exchanged a look between them.
वो आगे बढ़ने से पहले एक लम्हे के लिए रुकी।
She paused for a moment before proceeding. She paused for a moment before proceeding.
इसे समझ नहीं आ रही थी कि कैसे जवाब दे।
He was unsure how to reply. He was unsure how to reply.
वो कैमरे में मुस्कुराता रहा।
He kept grinning into the camera. He kept grinning into the camera.
वो ड्रामा के लिए अपनी लाइनें रट नहीं सकती थी।
She couldn't cram her lines for the drama. She couldn't cram her lines for the drama.
वो पहले भी काफी करीब थे।
They had been pretty close before. They had been pretty close before.
उसके बारे में अटल रहना बंद करें।
Stop being adamant about it. Stop being adamant about it.
कस्बों को शहरों के वसाइल से मुनक़ते ना किया जाए।
The towns should not be cut off from the city's resources. The towns should not be cut off from the city's resources.
आपको सच मानना पड़ेगा।
You have to admit the truth. You have to admit the truth.
पहले माजी पर गौर करने की कोशिश करें।
Try reflecting on the past first. Try reflecting on the past first.
मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप में बात करने की हिम्मत है।
I hope you have the guts to speak back. I hope you have the guts to speak back.
पानी तेजी से दरिया में गिर गया।
The water rushed down the river. The water rushed down the river.
वो हर माह अपनी मछली का प्याला धोती थी।
She washed her fishbowl every month. She washed her fishbowl every month.
गिरोह एक इशारे से खामोश हो गया।
The group was silenced with a signal. The group was silenced with a signal.
इस कस्म की सूरत-ए-हाल में अज़्म बेहतरीन काम करता है।
Determination works best in this type of situation. Determination works best in this type of situation.
मैं साबित कर सकता हूँ कि वो सही थी।
I can prove that she was right. I can prove that she was right.
मुझे तस्वीर को धुंधला करना पड़ेगा।
I would have to blur out the picture. I would have to blur out the picture.
इसने उसकी तरफ हाथ बढ़ाया।
She extended a hand toward him. She extended a hand toward him.
आदमी घबराकर इधर-इधर देखता रहा।
The man kept glancing around nervously. The man kept glancing around nervously.
इसे फौरी तौर पर जवाब मालूम हो जाएगा।
He would know the answer immediately. He would know the answer immediately.
मैं मुकाबला शुरू करने के लिए हमेशा की तरह तैयार हूँ।
I am ready as ever to start the competition. I am ready as ever to start the competition.
उसने अपने कुत्ते के लिए एक छोटी टोपी पहनी थी।
He wore a little cap for his dog. He wore a little cap for his dog.
आवाज साफ और पेशावराना लग रही थी।
The voice sounded clear and professional. The voice sounded clear and professional.
शाइस्ता होने के बारे में कुछ सबक लें।
Take some lessons on how to be courteous. Take some lessons on how to be courteous.
ये मेरे पास है।
I have it with me. I have it with me.
आपको सिर्फ इसका मंसूबा नाकाम बनाना था।
You just had to fail his plan. You just had to fail his plan.
इसका रवैया संजीदा हो गया।
His demeanor turned serious. His demeanor turned serious.
ये एक ऐसा एहसास था जो इसने पहले कभी महसूस नहीं किया था।
It was a sensation he had never felt before. It was a sensation he had never felt before.
मेरा अंदाजा है कि आपको कभी ये ख्याल नहीं आया कि लोगों को चोट पहुंच सकती है।
I guess it has never occurred to you that people get hurt. I guess it has never occurred to you that people get hurt.
हादसे ने उसकी यादें मिटा दी थी।
The accident had erased his memories. The accident had erased his memories.
मैं सवाल का मतलब समझने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ।
I am trying to understand the meaning of the question. I am trying to understand the meaning of the question.
मुझे लगता है कि आप इस केस में बहुत ज्यादा मुलव्वस हो रहे हैं।
I think you are getting too involved in the case. I think you are getting too involved in the case.
शायद इन्हें दोबारा इम्तिहानात देने की तरगीब दें।
Maybe motivate them to redo the exams. Maybe motivate them to redo the exams.
जो कुछ हुआ इसके बारे में मेरे खानदान को जरा परवाह नहीं थी।
My family couldn't care less about what happened. My family couldn't care less about what happened.
मैंने अपने बास को इस मसले की निशानदही की।
I pointed out the issue to my boss. I pointed out the issue to my boss.
फिलहाल ये मसला नहीं है।
That is currently not the problem. That is currently not the problem.
इन्होंने खौफ से एक दूसरे को पकड़े रखा।
They kept holding each other in fear. They kept holding each other in fear.